Oh, we're here na. The VHS Paradise. Okay. Ayaw na agad naglaro.
Bruh.
Okay, so na. May ship. Ano? May... Okay. Mag-1880 tayo. Mag-1880 tayo. Nakakagulat naman yung mga ano dito. Ayan.
Whoop.
Oh, hello, sir. Madam pala. Madam, sorry. Meron dyan. Ito, Kung Fu Panda. Kung Fu Panda. Uy, teka lang. Hingay ng Discord ko. Kuya, okay? Don't tell me kukuha ka. Kumuha siya. Tapos tatakbo dito. No way. Hingay ng Discord ko. What's up? I'm taking this crumb for one day. Here's $2. There is nothing better than spending the night watching a good movie at home. What happened? Okay. Thank you sa $2, sir. Enjoy your movie. Walang crouch? Walang crouch, boss. Ang bilis maubos yung energy natin.
Bruh.
Nakakagulat naman dito. Hello, sir. Sir, hello. Okay, sir. Pumili lang po kayo dyan. Marami po kami dyan, movies. Ito, Chuchu Charles, oh. Okay, tumakbo. Hop. What's that? No. Arrest these people. Tapos ng game. Oh, wala pa. Oops. Wala akong tiwala sa'yo, madam. Okay, bibili niya. I mean, or rent. I'm taking this movie with me for 2 days. How much do I pay? $3. Here you go. I don't have time to chat. The street is very dangerous on my... Bye. Bye, madam. Ito. Resident Evil 4. Yan. Resident Evil 4. Chuchu Charles. Okay, wala akong tiwala sa'yo, bossing. Okay, what's this? Okay, wala ako. Kuha. Then, akala ko tatakbo. I want to buy this movie. Excellent, finally. What? I collected these wonders. Do you even watch the movie? Are you going to pay or what? Thank you very much. Okay. Let's see kung anong movie pa dito yung actual movie. Yan. Max Payne? Meron daw ditong Easter egg. Yan. Wala. Hello, sir? Sikap? Sikap to ah. Ang ina mo. Isot ka. Kinakabahan ako sa mga ano. Okay. Tumakbo ka, Kap. Kap. Akala ko tatakbo si Kap. $20. I'm surprised you are the only cashier who doesn't look at me with disgust or rejection with PCs. Diba, you will be like that. Hindi ko makita yung ano kasi nandito yung camera ko.
5 minutes later.
Bye. Okay, Kap. Okay, Kap. Kapitan, Kap. Ayan. Ito, Resident Evil 8. Well, my ship is over now. Let's watch a movie with John Lucky. Nah. Out of the mechanic that fixed the live problem. I hope John movie doesn't disappoint me. Okay. Yes. I want to go home now. Hindi naman ako. Anong yung table ko? I have never seen such a predictable ending. I wonder what Jen saw in this to recommend it to me. I better go home. I'm tired of being here. Jesus fudge. Oh my god. Oh. Grabe. Ayoko na. Jesus. Ano ulit? Does the game crash? No? The game crash? No? Okay, so mga watlings, hindi na natapos yung video ko na VHS Paradise. So stay tuned na lang sa ibang video ko dahil nahirapan ako mag-edit, tapos need ko ng better rest muna. Like, man, hindi ako nakatulog ng isang araw dahil in-edit ko yung video na excited. Dito na natapos yung ating VHS Paradise. So thank you for watching mga watlings. See you to the next video. Bye.